Watch how these tumblers align. Is it possible to run a diagnostic on someone starting with zero capital today and identify the specific markers that guarantee they will build immense wealth? Most people view wealth as a lottery ticket, an unpredictable twist of fate. However, historical data on self-made builders suggests that financial ascension follows a series of repeatable, unyielding behavioral patterns. In 2021, entrepreneur Gary Vaynerchuk tested this predictive calculus on a bedroom musician with zero industry connections. He identified 3 specific traits in this artist, Doechii: raw talent, unique artistry, and an obsessive drive. These internal behaviors preceded her Grammy-winning trajectory, proving that the outcome was already visible before the first dollar was earned. Wealth acts as a byproduct of these 15 specific behavioral predictors. By auditing your own habits against these signals, you can begin to see exactly where your current trajectory leads. The first signal is a pleasure inversion. Future millionaires often isolate themselves from common forms of escapism: heavy drinking, partying, and short-term chemical highs. This isolation stems from an obsession with the venture. To a builder, horizontal distractions feel like acute systemic setbacks. Mindless late-night socialization loses its appeal because it directly drains the energy required to scale the machine. The standard consumer habit is to view currency as a way to simulate status. Most people trade their hours for a paycheck and immediately liquidate that capital for luxury labels to impress strangers. Builders view capital through a different lens: strategic veto power. As you see in this formula, your leverage is your liquid cushion multiplied by your ability to keep overhead low. This formula provides the capacity to walk away from toxic terms and veto bad deals. When money is a tool for freedom rather than a way to buy distractions, you gain absolute control over your biological time. Minimizing your personal overhead creates the raw cash margin needed to deploy risk. It provides the financial foundation to command your lifestyle rather than being anchored to a paycheck dependency. Most regular earners bleed liquidity through a hidden tax, the comfort premium. This is the thousands of dollars spent monthly on meal deliveries, luxury transit, and conveniences designed to remove minor friction from daily life. Future millionaires treat the need for constant physical comfort as a terminal error. They deliberately liquidate these convenience milestones, choosing to endure minor daily discomfort today to protect their portfolio's growth. They funnel the cash saved from these tactical frictions directly into income-producing investments. In their early stages, they value compounding assets over the ease of an unoptimized lifestyle. This shift in priority requires a long-term temporal horizon. While the general public plans around day-to-day survival, the wealth architect maps their strategic positioning across multi-decade blocks. By focusing on 10-year windows, they have mentally walked the execution path 1,000 times before they ever take a physical step. This long-range planning removes the reactionary panic that traps most earners in mediocrity. Choosing short-term inconvenience and long-term planning is the only reliable way to escape permanent financial stagnation. To maintain this focus, you must follow a strict digital interface rule. Passive media consumption is restricted to under 60 minutes a day. The modern economy is split into 2 categories. You are either a consumer in the sandbox, gobbling up distractions, or you are a builder in the creation vault, manufacturing proprietary assets for others to use. Entering that vault requires paying the ridicule tax. Facing pure gossip and social embarrassment is the mandatory entry fee for leaving the consumer loop. You must be willing to look foolish as a beginner to eventually scale your portfolio. The differentiator here is the velocity delta, the speed between an idea forming and the first physical action. This momentum loop bypasses the dead-end nodes of doubt and delay. Executing a task the moment it is conceived rewires the brain. It connects new concepts with high-velocity action instead of psychological hesitation, creating a frictionless loop of progress. Every second spent consuming other people's distractions solidifies your status as a financial asset for someone else. Instant creation is the only way to build your own engine. To apply this to your own life, you must audit your current reserves. The strategic directive changes based on a single variable, the $100,000 liquid capital threshold. If you have over $100,000 in reserves, you execute the Norway model. Stop trend chasing and automate every unit of excess currency into low-cost index funds to let time execute the compounding equation. If your liquid net worth is below $100,000, you are in the South Korea phase. Stop purchasing lifestyle tokens. Trade your uncompensated hours to master a high-income technical skill that the market is willing to pay a premium for. Mastering that skill allows you to build a scalable asset engine, one that generates cash flow independent of your physical presence, eventually buying back your lifelong autonomy. You can remain a defensive spectator, trading time for scraps and fearing failure, or you can solve for the fear of stagnation. Upgrade your habits to secure your financial future. If you are ready to stop chasing trends and start building an asset machine, hit subscribe and type #future in the comments below to signal that you're ready to exit the consumer loop. Let's get to work.